It's time for your latest midweek weather update and welcome to the Weather Center. We have thunderstorms that developed and intensified last night, and these are set to persist this Wednesday in these areas highlighted here, extending all the way from Namibia through the eastern parts of the Northern Cape down into the interior of the Eastern Cape. Rainy weather also persists throughout Wednesday for much of the Western Cape, the southern parts of the Eastern Cape and the bulk of KwaZulu-Natal province. We are also going to have a lot of cloud giving us drizzle for eastern Mpumalanga and southeastern Limpopo. Windy conditions are forecast for Wednesday all the way from Gauteng into the western and southern parts of the country. Now, because of the windy conditions, we have a watch for high fire danger for the eastern parts of the Northern Cape and the westernmost areas of the northwest. A watch is also in place for severe thunderstorms across the northwestern sections of the Eastern Cape. Now, with that, let's take a look at the chance of you seeing the wet weather coming your way this Wednesday. Scattered thunderstorms are forecast for the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, pushing down into the interior of the Eastern Cape. Up to a 60% chance of rain is forecast along the east coast and the adjacent interior. The chance of precipitation decreases to between 20 and 40% wherever you see the lighter shades of blue. Afternoon temperatures are going to be on the cool to mild side this Wednesday for the southern provinces. Highs in the upper teens are forecast for Richards Bay and Durban, 17 for East London, high of 17 as well for the mother city. Slightly warmer as we go towards the northern sections. Top temperatures in the lower 20s are forecast for Upington, Kimberley, Mahikeng and Pretoria. It's going to be much warmer as we go towards Mbombela. Coastal conditions are set to improve greatly this Wednesday for the west coast, and here we are expecting moderate to fresh southeasterlies for most areas, and swell heights should average around 3 meters with a 13-second period. Poor beach conditions are forecast, however, as we go towards the southwest coastline. A strong southeasterly breeze is forecast over these coastal areas. Strong winds as well as wet weather will keep beach conditions uninviting along the south coast, and the winds will be blowing from a northeasterly direction, gusting up to 50 kilometers per hour for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth. Lastly, along the east coast, we are also expecting poor beach conditions thanks to the wet weather forecast over these coastal areas.